Are you struggling with arthritis pain? It's a battle that many face daily. Today we're delving into a topic that's close to many hearts: managing arthritis pain. We'll explore 5 simple yet powerful steps that could provide relief. If you're ready to fight back against arthritis pain, this video is for you. Step 1 revolves around regular exercise. This practice is crucial because it strengthens the muscles surrounding your joints, offering them better support. With this, you may find some arthritis pain easing. Regular exercise, a vital step to combat arthritis pain. Step 2 is all about maintaining a balanced diet. You see, certain foods possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help ease the common symptom of arthritis: inflammation. By incorporating these into your meals, you're giving your body a fighting chance. A balanced diet, another weapon in your arsenal against arthritis pain. Step 3 involves getting proper rest. Rest is crucial for the body to heal and to reduce inflammation. It's during these quiet moments that your body works to alleviate the discomfort caused by arthritis. Proper rest, a key component in managing arthritis pain. Step 4 is using heat and cold therapy. Alternating heat and cold can be a game changer for arthritis pain. Heat relaxes muscles and boosts circulation, while cold minimizes swelling and numbs the pain. Heat and cold therapy, a simple yet effective method to ease arthritis pain. Step 5 is maintaining a positive mindset. Embracing positivity can be a game changer in dealing with arthritis pain. Reducing stress, enhancing mood, and promoting a sense of well-being are all linked to a positive mindset. A positive mindset, your greatest ally in the fight against arthritis pain. To recap, the 5 steps in dealing with arthritis pain are regular exercise, a balanced diet, proper rest, heat and cold therapy, and maintaining a positive mindset. Integrating these steps into your daily routine can significantly improve your quality of life. Don't let arthritis pain control your life. Take these steps and reclaim your path of hope.